Alrighty guys, in today's video we're going to be looking at different sorting and viewing options for our swatches, and this will be within FlexiPRINT. But before that, let's have a quick intro first. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. We make short and easy to watch problem solving videos, and we also have daily updates. Now if we head into the program here, it might look like a bit of a mess here, like a clown or something, but I'll show you in a short while why we have so many colors on our design. Now, like I mentioned, we're going to be looking at sorting and viewing and things like that for our color swatch. So let's jump right into that. So I'm going to just zoom here to the color swatch so you guys can see some of the options. So now most of these options will be accessed by right clicking the color swatches or color swatch, and if your color swatch is not available, you can just simply click this little icon and it should appear at the bottom here. Now first off the bat, let's right click and we see we have a few different options. So the main three we're going to be looking at is sort, show and view. So now under sort, we're going to be able to set a few different things. So either I can do it by name, then all these colors will be rearranged according to their name. Then we have a few other options. So we've got RGB and so forth. Vendors also nice. Let's say you've got a color swatch for multiple clients, then you can always have it under vendor, and you click that, it will sort it according to the vendors, which can be handy. I'm just going to put mine here to let's maybe make it type so it keeps all the right types together. Then next up here on the color swatch, we've got show. Now this one will you can kind of jump between categories. So let's say you're only going to be working with colors, you can switch show, and then you can see all our gradients and patterns are no longer available. So it keeps it a little bit more clean and relative to that category. We can go show, let's say patterns. I can see only our patterns, and likewise we can do with gradients. This one I'm also just going to keep on all, so I have everything available for the sake of the tutorials. And then the last one we've got, and this one can be a bit confusing, is view. So now let me just show you an example. Let's take maybe something like this white. Well, let's go red. Go red, we go to view, and then we go hide this color. If I click that, you can see our red is still there. Nothing has changed. Now, like I said, this can be confusing, but the best way to view this is this actually is going to affect the colors on the actual view or navigation view. So if I had to go, let's pick a color we know is there. There's am.co.za blue, which is, let's find it here right in the beginning. I'm going to right click that and go back to view. Now let's say hide this color. Now you can see those colors are excluded from your actual view. So this is nice if you want to work on a logo or design and you want to isolate colors, remove colors that you don't want to work on. You can also go right click view, and then let me assume yes, you can see nicely. Now we can say show, rather not that one, let's say show, let's find it, hide all except this color. So that's another example. So now you can, instead of hiding that color, now only that color will be visible. So now you can imagine as a design, I can quickly work on this, or perhaps I want to change all those colors to a new color. Then I can do that easily, select it without being afraid of selecting other colors or having to manually select each individual shape. I can now just simply drag and then we can change this to another color. Now obviously it's going to disappear because it's only showing that color, and then to get that back we just simply go back to the swatch table. We want to right click it, go view, and then we go show all colors. Now once we click that, it will bring everything back, and now you can see those colors are now, or the am.co.za colors are now set to that orange. But yeah, otherwise that is it on the sorting and viewing. So we've got the three main categories as a quick recap. We've got sort, which will do it by name or type and so forth. We've got show, and this will be if you want to isolate your swatches types, so colors, patterns, gradients. And then we've got view, which will affect the actual viewport and what you see or don't see there. Yeah, otherwise, in the meanwhile, if we head here to softwaretraining.co.za, you guys will notice we've got a variety of different softwares we do cover, and you can also isolate your search on the top right. If you do not, however, find the training videos you're looking for, just simply go here, request a training video, fill in the mini form, then we'll do our best to try and make that for you. But otherwise, thanks guys for watching, and cheers.